in this, it says that I have shown that it is practicable to produce in a resonating circuit as EAB-B-D immense electrical activities measured by tens and even hundreds of thousands of horsepower. And in such a case, if the points of maximum pressure should be shifted below the terminal B, along coil B, a ball of fire might break out and destroy the support F or anything else in its way. For the better appreciation of the nature of this danger, it should be stated that the destructive action may take place with inconceivable violence.
If this happens, we create sparks.
If this happens, we create sparks. Coupling factor is not good. Well, we reach again the physical limits of the system. We need to have a low coupling factor because we need to transfer the energy from the primary tank to the secondary tank very slowly. If we have a very tight coupling factor, energy is transferred in the first periods of the burst. Remember the burst? If we have tight coupling factor, energy is transferred too quickly, like this. And if this happens, we create sparks between the secondary and the primary. That's very interesting. We create sparks here. And this happens because we are exciting the secondary coil too quickly. And the current distribution is not a perfect linear gradient. Remember, this long structure here also have capacitance to ground. So this structure here also have capacitance to ground. The self-capacitance of the secondary coil. If we create a very strong excitation here, as the current profile is not linear, we create a very high voltage near the primary and we break here, shorting, creating a spark to the primary coil and sometimes burning all the electronics inside the box here. See